Okay, hi guys, this is me, Irma Shinawi, and I created a new YouTube account because, well, it still has the same name, but different email and stuff, so it'll be different. I created a new one because, my friend Ali's friend, he, kept on disliking my videos, so hopefully he won't find out this channel. And I'm here gonna show you how to install Minecraft Too Many Items. Okay, first of all, you go into Safari. You go download for Minecraft. Well, this is I'll put the link in the description. So that's the link. You scroll down, and it should take you to my Too Many Items. So you scroll down all the way and download for Minecraft 1.3.2. Too Many Items, stuff like that. Okay, you click that. Should take you to add fly. Please wait. And then you click skip ad, and then it should start loading. Okay, so you drag that out into your desktop. You exit this. You grab this and put it there. So you go into your, well, actually, go into Go, Options, Library, Application Support, Minecraft. Go into your bin and say minecraft.char.zip. Enter, and you say use zip. Then double click that. Should start it. Then you go here. You go into this Minecraft.jar thing and the Too Many Items folder. You scroll all over this and you drop it into that, and then you say replace. And yeah, so, and then you go, you don't need to clean it up. I just like to go clean up. If this crashes your Minecraft, you will have to delete a meta.inf folder. If it crashes your Minecraft. Hopefully it won't, but yeah. Single player. And then, yeah, it should bring you Too Many Items. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Rate, comment, and plus subscribe.